Welcome to this quick video. Very handy tip I've learned in Solidworks here when modeling. Say if you're sketching, okay, quick way, right? If you right click here and you want to add more commands here, okay, to these little default tools. Now, originally, I think it used to be just these couple up here and that one. But if you go, okay, if you right click in this white box, customize, you're brought into this area. And I can go, if I want a button from sketch, I can go into sketch here and I can drag what I want out here. So let's say I want, okay, a comic section. I can drag that out there. Now, if I want something from features, okay, let's say fillet, I can drag that out there as well. So fillet will be added in that. And I can tick OK. And you right click these. Now, obviously, fillet, extrude haven't come up there, okay, because you're in a sketch. So if I just draw something, exit the sketch, now right click out here, extruded boss base is there for me, and I can quickly pick the sketch there, extruded it. Now, right click again, fillet is there for me. So that's nice and handy.